I was wondering if you're familiar with the sensation or experience that you go somewhere, perhaps on a vacation or perhaps to work or to start a big project, and your mind and heart is completely different from where you expected it to be. I moved here to Puerto Escondido a few weeks ago, and moving here I knew that I'm gonna achieve here, and this place will allow me to do certain things that I wasn't able to do in my last 3-4 years of traveling. Arranging my own place, my space where I do my practice, where I invite my friends, invite my people, gardening, taking care of the small details that make you feel cozy, make you feel at home. At the same time, I knew and I sort of anticipated that it's not going to be so easy to focus merely on these nice, cool things. I'm going to face a lot of emotions that I buried in the last year and perhaps in the last many years. Even in the times I used to be a monk. And uncovering these emotions will require a lot of healing. My heart and mind takes me to really different places. Different places from this seemingly paradise that I'm at. And sometimes I feel embarrassed. I feel embarrassed of really connecting to that experience that I have deep inside my heart. Just imagine I'm here in this literally paradise. Mangoes are growing all around me. I can swim in the ocean whenever I want. The beach is literally 10 minutes walk from me. Many positive, open-minded people from all around the world stop by here. And yet my mind and heart is completely somewhere else. Somewhere else to such an extent that sometimes I cannot really enjoy even all these facilities that God provided me with. And saying that, it does bring me to this point, this old point that I reconnected to being as a monk, that we're not here to enjoy, even in such situation where everything seems to be great. Rather than enjoying, this situation can be used to actually help me to experience my experience the underlying of what is my heart and mind are going through. Support me in being in my pain, being in my loneliness. And yes, practically speaking, it is what I'm experiencing. I'm experiencing sadness, I'm experiencing loneliness, I'm experiencing that I miss all my dear friends that I left in Florida. I can go and run to the beach, meet new people, make new friendships, but this is not what's gonna help me to deepening my relationship with God and with myself. Utilizing another form of pleasure just to hide and avoid these true emotions, deep emotions, whatever they would be, is in a sense form of intoxication, form of running away from the thing which we are most gifted by, our human experience. We are all gifted having this human experience and becoming more aware and responsible for what we're feeling, what we're thinking about, our desires. Because in that there is a huge opportunity to gift and heal not just ourselves, but the entire world. Whatever pain, challenge we're going through right now, I see these as tiny seeds of self-realization and introspection that we can benefit by, not just ourselves, but so many others who are going through maybe the same thing, or at least similar things, similar challenges in their own life. I think that's one of my main inspirations, to be vulnerable here with you and to share my experience and to introspect and to dive deeper in what it means to me to experience what I feel, experience loneliness, experience shame, experience sadness, what these heavy draining emotions are trying to tell me. Which lesson do they want me finally to learn and assimilate in my life? I had a client today and we spoke about the source of all emotions, how the source, not just of emotions, but of everything, is spiritual. Janmadya Siyataha. Everything comes from the Absolute or God, and that source is all good. There are nothing bad in the spiritual realm, including our emotions. And this is where our emotions are originating from the all good, from the source. Even heavy emotions like pain, separation, loneliness, they all have a good, fulfilling origin. And I believe we can experience that even here in the material world, when these emotions give us a very dark and shadow type of experience. But this is just a mere shadow. And how we can turn them into light? By first of all experiencing them without any judgment. Experiencing our pain, experiencing our separation from our loved ones, our loneliness, our sadness, without putting any label on that. Without considering that I should be feeling myself great because I'm in this great place. No should or could or if, but just the plain, pure experience of what we are right here, right now. By doing that, I feel like we can open a huge door for transformation, not just for ourselves, but everyone around us. Anyone who comes and gets in touch, even for a fraction of a second, with our true being, our true authentic being, our authentic human experience. I think this is all what we need in this world, honestly. We need more people who are ready to be authentic and real with their experience. Starting from being aware of what we're going through. And from there, so many realizations will sprout that will encourage everyone around us. Encourage everyone for a more purposeful and true living in a more aligned way with our core values. To experience in a more personal form all the things that I was sharing here, I would like to invite you for a workshop that I will be holding on the 14th of March, where I will be holding space to experience that experience and uncover which gifts do these emotions of troubled times are there for you and for us to uncover. If you're interested in participating, email me down below to RamaLunin@gmail.com and let me know where you're from and what inspired you to participate. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Hare Krishna.